You'll never have this problem. Just add some toothpaste to the lime. And thank me later. Today, I've got a game-changing hack with just 2 ingredients you probably already have in your house. Let me show you this secret combo that will leave you amazed by how fast it works. Using a knife, cut open a fresh lime and squeeze its juice into a glass bowl. Well, lime juice is a powerhouse when it comes to its natural properties. It's loaded with vitamin C and potent antioxidants, making it an incredible solution for tackling all sorts of issues. The best part? Lime juice has a unique ability to neutralize impurities while gently boosting the appearance of whatever you apply it to. Honestly, it's one of the most versatile ingredients you can use. Now, squeeze out a generous amount of toothpaste into the bowl. You're probably only using it for one thing, but let me tell you, it does so much more than what you think. Toothpaste contains mild abrasives and ingredients that help to remove buildup. It's like a superhero in disguise. Together, these 2 ingredients are an unstoppable team. They don't just work, they amplify each other's natural powers, delivering a result that's hard to believe until you see it yourself. You're going to apply this magical mix directly to those problem spots: elbows, knees, armpits, wherever you're noticing darker skin. Make sure to get in there with circular motions. We want the mixture to penetrate deeply into the skin. Leave it on for 5 minutes. Enough time for the lime and toothpaste to do their thing. Then, rinse it off with warm water and pat the area dry. After just 1 use, you'll start noticing a brighter, smoother appearance in those dark spots. Do this a few times a week, and those stubborn dark spots will begin to fade away, like they never even existed. Subscribe for more tips.